Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we might be playing the Roblox. So, yeah. Yep. Okay, now. First I wanna subscribe. Go up for 26. Just 10 likes. So, go in the comments. Hashtag 28K. And so, today I'm gonna make me like a good character. So, let's just get straight into it. Like, I got really nothing. I'm just gonna get someone to put me in. Get me? Hope so. Okay. Okay. Everything I got. But on the shoe of Legend Jordans. Because it look really nice with this. And then I got this. Then you put that in. Now you put that. Okay guys, now I'm going to go with the hair. Sorry. Okay, so now we can go for my body. So, yup. Left arm, yup. First, yup. Okay, now. Don't I still be like. No. Whenever I was playing Roblox back in my days, I didn't have colors, but let's go for Gucci Mane. Yeah. Hey. My idols. Yep. You're gonna climb like vampire. Everything else. Just swim just like a vampire. Okay guys. We did all the stuff I want. But waiting for something else. So let's go over here. No. Let's go over here. Let's see what's over here for two. So let's go for clothing. Shirts. Any price. 2, 4. Okay, there's nothing for 2. Wait. Only t-shirts. Okay, let's do a t-shirts. Okay, let's make one of these. Out of Roblox. So, yeah. Okay, now it's time to go to my, what's it called? To my avatar. We get into a game, but first we gotta do all this stuff to get my supporting fanny back. Actually, it's not because it's only hard to see. We're gonna use my. Let's go to my shirts. Yes. stick with R6. No, R15. Now, let's go and what game? Go to home because that was the game I played. Get up a little Bloxburg. No, let's see. I will play. What a game. Rabba. That's how I read. Oh no. Okay, guys. Caught. No. Guys, like, there is nothing I want. Let's go to round. No. You know what? I am not gonna play that. Okay, I still got 4 rolls on this one. So let's go. What? Let's see. No, so I am just going to okay, let me see. So guys, what I wanna do is something weird. Like, I'm just rich. I don't know what I want. But let's just play a game. I'm gonna play Tycoon. The movie. Okay, what game? I would play NBA, but I'm gonna go see who's winning. T-Series, yeah, or PewDiePie. Bro. Okay, so I would think, okay.
Body screaming at barrels. Yeah, this is it. It's been an adventure. It's the end of the reign of Felix Arvid of Schallberg. Through all the change and controversy, you've been by my side. There's no army in the world. I would rather give me a watch time. It's been a wild ride.
Okay, I think T-Sir's gonna win, but then I like PewDiePie. So let's go back to what's the play? Wait, I'll look at my friends in it. Okay. Sid, Sloth, Sky. That's one. Okay. Where is my friend from school? Mr. Stitch. Okay. So now we're gonna be playing. But you know how long I've been here place waiting for a game to play? Like, I don't even know what game I want to play. Let's do a tycoon. Okay. We're gonna play a tycoon. Okay, I wanna play.
The British and I were taken into DCFS custody, where we were forced to live with them for 3 months. In our mom's house, they allowed us to sleep with one huge nightmare. It got to be
Peter was somebody.
all the time, no matter what we did.
But of course, parents, kids knew perfectly well that their parents not believe their dad killed their mom.
I was 16,
Okay.
our
Not
aunt
to
died.
play. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, and make sure you get notifications that don't leave the best videos I make. So yeah. Boom, boom. Okay. Let's see. Bro, I like Stitch Job. Bro, this thing, like, bro, why are these? I'm gonna just watch YouTube.
And for the next 3.5 years, remained ever house arrest.
He couldn't leave the house. Richmond Petty couldn't stay in the house with him. There had to be another person.
For us tonight, to bring to you the greatest Laker perhaps of all time, Kobe Bryant. Kobe, so great to have you with us courtside tonight.
No, thank you, man. The pleasure is all mine. And I always like to stop by
I'm
and
a
spend time
Warriors.
with
Well, this is going to be fun tonight.
you.
Ooh.
Western Conference battles always fun. This time it's the Los Angeles Lakers intent on protecting home court. They're getting their first look at the season at the Warriors in this one. Last year they were humiliated in their matchup, losing every game in 4 tries. And now the Golden State Warriors starters. And it's all the fireball stars out there for the Warriors. Curry, Clay, Durant, Green, and Cousins. And Ingram with a clear path to the basket. That one falls. Let's talk about something that I know fascinates basketball fans, Kobe, having that competitive streak, which is something that runs deep for you. Talk about the desire to dominate and completely destroy your opponent.
Well, it's the spirit of competition, right? I
Ooh.
don't think you're doing anybody
Clay Thompson.
service by
Yeah,
going out there and
let's
competing
go.
harder.
Yeah,
Right? Just so you respect the person that you're facing. And the right thing to do is to compete as